The family of former Prime Minister Imran Khan was once again denied their scheduled weekly visit despite a standing order from the Islamabad High Court allowing the family access. According to Pakistan's jail manual and special provisions for former elected officials, prisoners are entitled to regular family visitation. However, authorities at the Adiala jail, widely reported to be under the control of military intelligence agencies, continue to defy court directives, leaving Imran Khan in prolonged isolation. The last time Mr. Khan's family was granted a visit was on March 20th. On Tuesday, his sisters Alima Khan, accompanied by two of Khan's other sisters, Noreen Niazi and Dr. Uzma Khan, staged a peaceful protest outside the jail premises, demanding a meeting with their brother. Mr. Khan has now been held for 619 days by Pakistan's military government under the de facto ruler General Asim Munir. Social media activists and supporters of former Prime Minister Imran Khan's PTI who were abducted by Pakistani security agencies continue to remain missing. Farhan Chishti, Usman Mahmood, Qadir Amjad, Abdul Hanan and Mohammad Sohail, who disappeared weeks ago, have yet to be recovered. The families of the activists have approached various high courts through human rights lawyers, but there has been no progress. In Pakistan, it is common knowledge that powerful security and intelligence agencies are responsible for these abductions. In addition to PTI supporters, the brothers of Washington-based journalist Ahmed Narani are also still missing. Mr. Narani had published an investigative report on alleged nepotism by Army Chief General Asim Munir, who is accused of placing family members in key government positions. Following the 26th Amendment, which empowered the executive to appoint judges, Pakistan's courts increasingly defer or refuse to act in matters related to the military and security agencies.
बेटी की अभी रिसेंटली हार्ट सर्जरी हुई है और उसकी अभी एक और सर्जरी ड्यू है। उस्मान साहब की वालिदा और हम सब बहुत गहरे सदमे में हैं।
In an unprecedented act of interference by Pakistan's powerful intelligence agencies, the speech of a PTI leader delivered on the floor of the National Assembly was not only censored from live streaming but was subsequently deleted from the official archives. PTI's leader of the opposition in the National Assembly, Umar Ayub Khan, revealed the incident, stating that Junaid Akbar Khan, MNA and president of PTI Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, spoke last week in the National Assembly about the Katlan drone attack. His speech was blocked from being telecast by intelligence agency personnel stationed inside the National Assembly. But the worst is that, according to the information I have received, somebody came into the National Assembly Secretariat and deleted the entire speech record from the archives. PTI has been the only political party which has raised the issue of Pakistani citizens being extrajudicially executed through a drone attack inside the country's borders. Military intelligence officials routinely muzzle television and print journalists, but this is the first incident where the record of a lawmaker's speech was completely removed.